Number 3, the absolute value of p plus 61 equals 65. Which value is a solution to the given equation? Absolute value really means how far away is a number from 0 on a number line. So if I have a number line, and this is 0, 2 and -2 have the same absolute value because they're both 2 away from 0. In practical, what you're going to use this for terms, it means make it positive. It means if it's positive, if p was positive, it stays the same. If p is negative, it becomes positive when you take its absolute value. So anytime you're solving an absolute value equation, you have to account for both options. What if p is positive? What if p is negative? And solve for both. So here we have the absolute value of p plus 61 equals 65. So the 61 is not inside the absolute value, so we can get rid of it first before we deal with the absolute value. And by get rid of it, we undo what's happening to it. It's being added, so we're going to undo that by subtracting. And on the left, we are left with the absolute value of p is equal to 65 minus 61, or 4. So because p could have been positive or negative, what you do is, and this is the principle that you're going to follow when it's a little more complex inside the absolute value. Like say if it was, p squared minus 9, or, 3p plus 5, absolute value equals something. The way you do that is you take that, whatever's inside the absolute value, you take this something over here, you have one where it's positive, one where it's negative, and you set this equation equal to the positive and the negative, and you go through the process and you solve for p 2 times. And that gives you your answers. And I'm telling you this because, next time they might not be so nice. You might not get one where it's just absolute value of p. It may be like 3p plus 5 or something like that, like I just said. Okay, so you take what's inside the absolute value, you write it twice, and one time you set it equal to the positive version of this, and one time you set it equal to the negative version of this. And then if there's any math to be done, any algebra to be done, to solve for p, you do it. Here we don't have to. P could be 4 or it could be -4. Only one of those is an option, and it is B4. That is my answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.